Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a Game Pass in Roblox, updated for 2025. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more useful Roblox tips from Stepwise Academy. Let's jump in. First, head over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Then go to create.roblox.com. This is the new creator dashboard. Select the game where you want to add a Game Pass. From the left-hand menu, click on Passes, and then click Create a Pass. Now you'll need to upload an image for your Game Pass. Give it a name and write a short description. Once you're done, click Create Pass. Nice! You've created your Game Pass, but it's not for sale yet. Click on the pass you just made, go to the Sales tab, toggle Item for Sale, and set your price in Robux. Remember, Roblox keeps 30%, so choose your price wisely. Now hit Save, and your Game Pass is ready to go live. Players will now be able to buy this Game Pass in your game and get whatever benefits you've designed it to give. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and publish a Game Pass in Roblox. If this helped you out, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Stepwise Academy for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.